I'm going downtown because my town is having a day for us. So keep watching if you want to come along. Downtown right now, and it did start raining, but this is gonna be one of the best days for me. And of how much fun I'm gonna have. But I'm gonna park my bike at my grandma's house. And also, I just want to say I'm so thankful for anyone who subscribed in the past day or two, and for anyone that watched my last video and got that up to over 700 views. I'm very thankful for that, and am wishing that anyone who has helped me or given support for me even in these past couple days. Just park my bike and I'm gonna go downtown, have some fun. Okay. Just to the Let's go back. Alright, I'm leaving right now because it just started raining a decent amount. So I'm heading home just so I don't get stuck here or anything, or have to leave my bike at my grandma's house, which I know wouldn't be too bad, but I don't feel like doing so that I can actually ride it still. So I'm heading home and I will see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I made it back. I'm okay. And yeah, that was the day for my town. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, comment anything you want to tell me.